answer.
Good morning. How are you? How was the night? We are going to sing a song called the Mommy Singer.
Mommy Singer,
thank you. Clap your hand. We are so. Clap, 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 clap. Okay, so we are going to know the different parts of a plant. Who can come and show us the different parts of a plant? Who can come? Nana. Come and show us the different parts of a plant. Part of a plant. Ale.
part of a plant are a root, a stem, a leaf, a flower.
Good. Clap for her. She is so. Another one. Another one. Another one. Who come and show us the different parts of the plant. Part of the plant are the
Part of plant are a root, a stem, leaf, and flower.
good. Clap for her. Another one. Another one. Mudahogora. Part of a plant are the
Part of plant are a root, a stem, a leaf, and a flower.
Okay, clap for her. Mudahogora. Show us the different parts of a plant. Part of a plant are the
A root, stem, leaf, and flower.
good. Clap for her. She is so. Really, come and show us the different parts of a plant. Part of a plant are the clap for him. He is so. Another one who can come and speak loudly. Part of the plant are the
A stem, a leaf, and a flower.
clap for him.
A root, a stem, a leaf, and a flowers.
Okay. We are going to know the different importance of plant. Plant give us. Plant give us. Plant give us money. Plant give us. Another important. Plant give us. Plant give us food. Plant give us. Plant give us food. Another important. Plant give us the plant give us medicine. Land give us medicine. Okay. Be humble and pray. Be humble. Then you close your eyes. Close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Bravo. Close your eyes. Of light. Sources of natural light are sources of natural light are repeat. Sources of natural light are the sun, the moon. Okay, sources of artificial light are repeat again. Sources of artificial light are good. Clap your hand. Really so. Really so. Okay, we are going to remember the types of soil. 3 types of soil are repeat again. 3 types of soil are okay, clap your hand. We are good learners. Clap your hand. Touch on your shoulder. Touch on your knee. Touch on your mouth. Touch on your nose. Touch on your back. Touch on your back. Touch on your back. Touch on your back. Touch on your chest. Touch on your chest. Touch on your neck. Touch on your arms. Touch on your navel. Touch on your navel. Show us your fingers. Your fingers. Touch on your eyes. Touch on your tongue. Touch on your teeth. Touch on your tongue. Touch on your hairs. Touch on your shoulder. Touch on your eyes. Touch on your ears. Okay, down your arms. Down, down. Down. Down your arm. So. Giordara somene so. Flappez dans mes. Croisez le bras. Comptez le nombre et à 20. Hey!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 19, 20.
Allez. La tête. Le nez. La bouche. Le dent. La langue. La poitrine. Le cou. Épaule. Genou. La jambe. Le cheveu. La bouche. La tête. La poitrine. Le cou. Épaule. Genou. Le cheveu. Le cil. C'est le cil. Ok, flappez ton main. Allez. Et puis.
Jesus, I love you. You are my Savior. You are my Savior. Every day. Jesus, I love you. You are my Savior. You are my Savior. Every day. Baby Jesus, happy Jesus,
Johnny.
Yes, Papa. No, Papa.
Tell me lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth. Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Eating the sugar.
No, Papa.
Tell me lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth. Lana.
Yes, teacher.
Eating the sugar.
No, Papa.
Tell me lies. Open your mouth. Mudahogola. Bledeni.
Yes, teacher.
Eating the sugar.
No, teacher.
Tell me lies.
No, teacher.
Open your mouth. Anika.
Yes, teacher.
Eating the sugar.
No, teacher.
Tell me lies. Open your mouth. Okay, clap your hand. We are a good learner. How are you?
I love you.
How was the night?
It's
called the mommy finger.